Australia was built on digging stuff out of the ground. But in 2026, the real gold isn't in the dirt. It's in the data.
We've got a bit of a situation, mates. Our national debt is growing faster than a Dewey on steroids, and the tail is starting to wag the dog.
Inflation. It's the invisible tax that eats your savings while you're sleeping. Your granddad's dollar? It's basically a cent now.
The Aussie dream? A quarter-acre block? That'll be $3 million and your firstborn child, thanks. The market is cooked.
So, do we keep playing the game, or do we pull the plug? Let's look at the plumbing. Fractional reserve banking. It's the greatest magic trick ever pulled. The bank lends out money they don't actually have. $1 becomes 10. 10 becomes 100. It's a beautiful cycle, until everyone wants their dollar back at the same time. When the music stops, there aren't enough chairs. That's when the safety net starts to look a bit like a spider web.
They've closed the doors. This can't be happening.
But all our savings are in there.
Look at the sign. They've abandoned us.
When the music stops, there aren't enough chairs.
You feel it at the checkout, don't you? The milk's gone up, the eggs are a luxury, and your paycheck is staying remarkably still. Your wealth is a number on a screen, but your purchasing power is the real score. And right now, we're losing.
We're an island nation in a global debt storm. Time to see if our boat actually floats. Meet the new boss. Same as the old boss, but this one processes 1 billion trades a second and doesn't take lunch breaks. AI is making the rich richer, and the rest of us, well, we're getting optimized. And it's happening fast. How do you value a company when a machine writes the code, does the marketing, and buys its own stock? Buying land in the metaverse? That's like paying for a cloud in a dream.
But hey, it's 2026. Anything goes.
This digital asset could help with the mortgage.
But what if it goes wrong?
The machine doesn't care about your mortgage. It only cares about the next basis point.
Australia's obsession with property is our biggest strength and our absolute undoing. We're all just tenants to the bank.
We've incentivized debt. We've turned our shelter into a speculative casino. Pull the lever and hope for a capital gain.
Generation rent is waking up. They're working 50 hours a week for a bedroom they'll never own. The math just doesn't add up. Reserve Bank is playing a dangerous game of chicken. If they blink, inflation wins. If they don't, the mortgage belt snaps. Equity is a beautiful thing until the market decides it's not. Then, it's just a very expensive pile of bricks.
Welcome to the brick and mortar trap. Good luck getting it out of the ATM.
CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. It's money, but with a social credit flavor.
Programmable money means the government knows if you bought a steak or a salad. Privacy is becoming a vintage concept.
The war on cash is nearly over. When the physical notes are gone, so is your ability to walk away from the system.
Cyber warfare is the new bank robbery. One glitch in the grid and your net worth is just a 404 error. Self-sovereignty. If you don't hold it, you don't own it. In 2026, the old school is starting to look pretty smart.
The system runs on trust. When that's gone, the digital digits don't mean a thing.
The pop. It's painful, it's messy, but it's the only way to clear the air. We've been living on credit for too long. Liquidating assets. Selling the boat, the car, the holiday house. It's a fire sale, and everyone's got a hose but no water.
Status is the first thing to go in a crash. Suddenly, nobody cares about the brand, they care about the calories.
But there's a silver lining. We find out what actually matters. Community, hard skills, real things. It's a long road back, but the ground feels a lot more solid when you're not standing on a pile of debt.
We're teaching the next generation that wealth isn't a gift from the bank. It's something you earn and protect. A new hybrid economy. Global tech, local trust. It's weird, but it works better than the old printing press.
We've got the resources. We've got the sun. We just need to stop betting against our own future.
Financial freedom? It's just having enough to say no to a bad deal. And right now, the deals are finally getting honest. The 2026 reset. It wasn't the end of the world, just the end of the fairy tale. Time to get to work, mates. I'm Elias. This was your wake-up call. Don't let the debt bugs bite. Catch ya.
Right, that's the book's closed for this session. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and keep the tax man out of your pocket, hit that subscribe button for the Allied Media and Media channel. Don't let debt's our only asset they can't tax. I'm Elias. Stay liquid. Catch you later.